Oh, hello out there. Today is Wednesday, August 21st, 2019. Hello, this is Kathy with Carpe Diem RV Style. And I'm just taking a few minutes out from doing some editing to some videos for our channel. Manny and I wanted to share some exciting milestone news with everyone out there. So let me get to that first. Here comes the happy news. There it is. Happy, happy, happy. So we wanted to say thank you, thank you, thank you to our supporters, our new friends, and everyone that has been with us on our adventure since the first launch of our channel. We want to say thank you again, and we hope that you will continue to come along with us on our journey and our adventures as we Carpe Diem RV Style. So thank you once again, and we will see you all real soon. Please don't forget to hit the like button, share the videos, subscribe, hit that bell button so you get notifications. And remember, share the love, not the hate. Bye now.